What's going on, everyone? So we're just getting ready to load up for the final night of the Western Springs season. It's only night number 11, but yeah, the final night, so it sucks that it's over already. Last weekend we raced at Huntley, but unfortunately the GoPro footage was utterly rubbish. The lighting down there was quite dark, obviously, and I didn't quite get the camera settings right, so I didn't bother uploading it because you just couldn't see anything. But yeah, so we're off to Western Springs for the final night, so we'll see what we can do. So unfortunately I forgot to take my camera to the track yesterday. I left it in my car, so that was a bit of a mistake. But heat 1, I will be starting P1, so I've got to try keep my position and move forward. And here's the car, it's all nice and clean, or about to be nice and clean. But yeah, starting P1 and heat 1, so we'll see what we can do. Yeah, so heat 1 obviously wasn't too great. We just misread the track a little bit. We thought it was going to be a bit slipperier than it was. And yeah, obviously wasn't. And I slipped back to 4th. But yeah, we were just having real problems on turning. Like, I was just turning the car left and the car was going straight. And it was good for a couple of laps, but it's just so unpredictable because you had to keep your foot hard on the gas to stop it from getting tight. But then as soon as it started getting tight, there was just nothing you could do, so that caused me to lose a few spots. So it's a bit unfortunate, but I'll be starting P14 in my next heat, so we've got to try and move forward and see what we can do to get a good starting position for the feature for the final night. the second heat, starting 14th, I managed to get up to 7th. It was pretty wicked. The track just had a good outside groove for the first couple of laps where they tilled it, and then I was just able to pull it down to the bottom, but we still had the same issue. The middle of the turn, the car was just washing up tight, so we tried to talk to the chassis builder to see what we can do, but entry of the turn, the car was real good. Then as soon as you'd get on the gas, the car would just try drive towards the wall. So we'll try to see what we can do for the feature, but I was starting 6th for the feature, so yeah, we've got the missing man tribute for Bryce Townsend, who unfortunately passed away last week, so yeah, we'll see what we can do for the feature, and hopefully we can get some good racing in. So the TQ feature went pretty good. We started 6th and managed to get into, I think it was 4th after the start, and we were running 4th for a couple of laps, and then the number 39 car showed his nose, and I was determined not to let him under, and then he just still shot under me, and I was a bit surprised, but we managed to run with him for a little bit. But unfortunately we were still having the same problems of the front end washing up in the middle of the corner. It was sort of as you go to stand on the gas to get out of the corner, and the front just pushes on you. So we had that problem plaguing us all night. So after we washed the car up today, we'll be looking into the problem to see what we can do. But the rest of the season we're not too sure about what we're actually doing. We're off to Kiki this weekend, and then a couple of weeks off in potentially Stratford, then Miami, but all depends on money and how we can get there. So yeah, looking forward to it. Not looking forward to the off season, but yeah, thanks for watching.